Oh, it's okay. You're part of the club now.
Wow.
Tipsy, messy recruiter.
I just really like whiskey.
Hi everyone, I'm Natasha, back with Tipsy Recruiter, and today we have a special guest.
I'm Nina, I'm an allied recruiter here at Atlas MedStaff, and you might recognize my voice from the podcast, Atlas Now Streaming.
And today we are bringing you guys a hot toddy. It's perfect for cold season. This is kind of a good remedy to take if you're feeling under the weather.
If you like hot drinks and whiskey, this is perfect for you.
There you go. All right, so to get it started, we measure out 3/4 cup of water. You can boil it. We don't have an oven here, so we just microwaved the water.
Easy.
Yes, so if you want to hold one of the glasses, we're just kind of pour this. So 3/4 cup of hot water in each glass, and then 1.5 ounces of whiskey.
Okay. This big bottle of whiskey.
Yes, thank you, Costco.
Love Costco. Not a plug, we just love Costco.
Yeah, just love them. Oh, it's okay, you're part of the club now.
Wow.
Tipsy, messy recruiter.
I just really like whiskey.
Okay,
that one
it's
can be mine.
There you go. Let's see. Woo. Okay.
Okay, it was 1.5?
Yep, 1.5.
Okay. I'm sorry, I got it all over your hands.
You're fine. Oh, there we go. Whoop. Oh, and I got it on
my
your
shoes.
boot. I got it on your boot. Well, yep, we're messy recruiters.
It's great.
So then you will add 2 to 3 teaspoons of honey, whatever you prefer. So if you
How should we measure this?
I guess I couldn't find our teaspoon, so we'll
Just put it in a spoon.
use that.
I heated this honey up too because I felt like it would help to mix it a little bit easier.
We really don't try to do this on purpose.
Yes.
Okay, and then we'll add.
It's okay if you make a mess when making drinks.
Yes.
And then you just drink a little bit more and clean it up.
There we go. Oh, that almost got my phone.
Okay.
Perfect. So I say give that a little stir in each. And then you add some lemon juice. So 2 to 3 teaspoons of lemon juice in each. So I guess we'll just,
Yeah, we can kind of just like,
should we eyeball it?
yeah.
You tell me what a teaspoon is.
I feel like maybe that was 1 teaspoon.
And 2.
Sure.
There we go.
Is it? Yep, that probably works. I like lemon juice, so, I got
go.
honey all over this glass.
Whoops. 1, 2. That's a great way to measure.
It's a lot like tea, so if you like more lemon or honey in your tea, then you can just add more. It doesn't matter. And we'll just stir this up.
Fun fact, this drink actually originates back to the 1600s in India, but then became famous through British trade routes. Little history lesson for the day.
Goes well with all of the English tea.
Yes.
Perfect,
okay.
and then you can also add cinnamon to it if you like cinnamon in your drink.
Little cinnamon stick to garnish it, lemon wedge, make it look pretty.
Yes.
So,
Cheers.
Cheers.
That's good.
Whew.
I like it.
Ooh, it's warm.
I like a nice warm drink in the winter.
It's very good. I like it. And
It's cold here in Omaha, so it's good to warm you up a little bit.
warms us up in the cold office because
Yes.
it's cold in here. So
I would recommend putting it in a mug probably, because this isn't super hot, but
could get a little
if it
hot.
if it was really hot, then probably not great in the glass, but
Awesome.
That's
Well,
good.
thank you for joining us, Nina.
thanks for having me on the show. Cheers.
Cheers, guys.